Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sit on Bailey's wheelchair in Heartopia. So right now, there's kind of like a glitch. I don't know what's going on, but you are able to kind of try furnitures. So you're just going to want to sit on any furniture downstairs, and you can only sit on it if it's not in a showroom, I think. So any chair, any sofa will work. So here, in a moment, everything will disappear. Ready? There we go. I don't know why that happens. I just sat on the furniture and that happened. So maybe they're still fixing it. Then if you go upstairs, you'll see that she's gone and you're able to sit on her wheelchair, but only for a bit because she will go back. Um, I think that's also another trick you can do when uh all of the furniture disappeared and you need them back. So just go to Bailey and do that or spawn a car. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!